It's a beautiful evening, another day to cook, another day to see the smoke from the beautiful Uganda, East Africa. What's up guys, it's another beautiful day from the African village of Uganda, Western Uganda to be specific, and I'm Lynette Lynn coming alive from the village. As you can see, I'm cooking right here and there, and I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a like, leave a beautiful comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We are on the road to 1,000. If you have never subscribed to this channel, this is the time to support your girl. I'm in the local, typical, primitive kitchen of Africa. So today, basically, we are going to be cooking rice, white rice with beef, but I'm going to be taking you along as I prepare white rice, and you see how we prepare it in my home, or rather in my village, how we prepare it. So this is what I'm going to be cooking, and I'm telling you, I'm so into white rice more than anything else. So right here I was sorting out the stones and some husks, because you know this is not like a first class rice that is all sorted and stuff, so you have to take your time to remove those small stones, remove those small husks, such that you prepare the best meal that will not, you know, make people lose their appetite, if I may say. English is not Englishing anyways, but that's what I was doing, and yeah, the day goes by quickly, and as you can see, I have to take my time to sort each and every stone, because that's the best way to prepare rice. Yeah. My saucepan is here, and I'm going to be washing it because most times they are not always clean, like clean, and I'm going to be washing them like twice. That's very recommendable, because you remove all the dust and any dirt if you do it like twice or 3 times. And in Africa, or in my home, or in my African village, this is how we cook rice. We put, when you want to get tasty rice, you put a little bit of salt and you measure water. So assuming you're going to cook like 1 cup of rice, you put 2 cups of water. If you're going, like, according to how many cups of rice you're going to prepare is proportional to the water. You double the water amount that you put. So that's how we cook rice, and that's how I was raised, that's how I was taught by my mom, and that's how I cook, and that's how it turns out well. Like, it is not overcooked and it is not undercooked when you measure double portion of water to the equivalent amount of the rice you are preparing. Yeah, so I was measuring water, put it in the saucepan, and I'm going to be lighting the charcoal. As you can see, I'm lighting the charcoal stove, and we are going to be cooking. So let's cook. Enjoy the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. It means a lot. Let our family grow, and your subscription is a bonus to me. Meanwhile, there is a lot of smoke. My eyes are red and very teary because of the smoke. That's what exactly I'm talking about. It's too much smoke.
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, you don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
Ooh, ready. Da-da-da-da-da.
It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Sometimes
I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, you don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
it's not much, but it's all I have.
So basically guys, I've transferred my rice from this small saucepan because it has the black thing that I brought by the smoke into this tiny steel beautiful saucepan, and that is it. Like that, we finished preparing our rice. It's here, you can see. Yep. I'm going to have cover like this, and that will be it.
Try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought.
so delicious. You're all invited for dinner. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, comment.